Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chichimari, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform from this to this. Before I even start with the makeup, let's talk about my skin here, because I know some of you are like, what happened to your skin? Because it's not like I had perfect skin, but my skin was sort of clear. I didn't have all the spots, but then I used a certain product and it didn't get along with my skin, so I broke out. I had like a bad breakout. Guys, so I don't know how to look straight into the camera. I'm still learning, guys. Please bear with me. Anyways, I'm going to start with doing my eyebrows. So I prefer using an eyebrow gel, this one, by Anastasia. Yes. um so I just prefer using eyebrow gel sometimes and not the pencil. And I don't like black eyebrows, so I start with this part, you know and then I just got the towel. Guys, I'm trying to shoot this video right, but someone is playing loud music. I can't even hear myself. Sorry if I'm going to shout or whatever. It's cause I can't even hear myself. So this is how I just fill up my eyebrow, you know. And with eyebrows, you obviously make adjustments as you go. It's not like it's supposed to be perfect from the start, from the get-go. No. And guys, oh, I forgot to do the disclaimer thingy. Disclaimer, I'm not a makeup guru. I do what I think works for me. Like, unfortunately, the weather just changed, right? It's not so dark and it's so cold. It's really cold, so I had to wear like a jacket and a scarf so that I don't catch no flu. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting that there's another light down here, but I'm still gonna do this for you guys. So the lighting situation is a bit complicated, yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys can see me, because that's what is important. So I'm done with my eyebrows, right? I'm done with my eyebrows. They're not perfect, I know, but I will adjust them as I go, like as I do my whole face. So for my foundation, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty, but this shade is a bit darker than my shade, so I'm gonna mix it with Miss Mary Kay, and let's see how that. Naimani bagorona, ndikachibanda, ndikachikoka. Guys, I know my beauty blender, so it's so dirty, but yeah, this shade is way lighter than my skin tone, but you see how I will blend it all. So guys, after like I've applied my foundation with the beauty blender, right, I go ahead and use a brush to just, you know to just really blend, I guess, and just make sure that the foundation is evenly spread. Guys, to contour my face, I'm going to be using these babies. This is Maybelline and this one is an LA Pro Girl Concealer. So obviously I'm going to put the lighter one here. You go here, baby girl. Baby girl, this is where you belong, hey? Here. I know it's so messy, like the way I just did it. But truth be told, I can't really see because of the lighting, you know. I'm just trying to do it all for you guys, because I love YouTube so much. But I love being a YouTuber, but unfortunately right now I don't have the equipment to really do this thing, and sometimes it sucks, hey? It really sucks. Guys, as I said before, I do things that work for me, you know. So don't be like, ah, no, you did this wrong, or what? You know, I do things that work for me. Okay, when I said I was going to blend, I was going to blend. Yo, I did blend. I blended. But I'm not done yet. It's time to put the setting powder. And I'm using this one from MAC. Wait, I'm trying to do the most this one. And what's this? Guys, are you guys already confused? Like, is this the same person, or it's not that bad, or it's not that bad, right? But anyways, since I ain't got no bronzer, I just like then putting this Langer. It's Langer mineral makeup. What am I doing? Before I forget, see, let me do my eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to be using this palette. What am I doing? Okay guys, before I forget, let me do my eyeshadow. Okay, anyways, so for that I'll be using this Anastasia palette. Let me show you the colors. What? Here are the colors, and I'm going to start with like a very I like natural colors when it comes to eyeshadow. So guys, I did the lashes off camera, so now I'm going to apply the alright, before that I'm just gonna like apply the fix. That's how I do it. Lashes are too long and it's kind of ridiculous, but these ones are the ones that I have right now, and I've used them a couple of times before, so they're not straight. So, but still, I like them, but I truth be told, I'm not confident enough to get out of the house wearing these lashes. I think they're just too dramatic. But now I'm about to apply the lipstick. Yay! So before that, I moisturize my lips with this Vaseline. I can't open it. It's hard to open sometimes. yeah, so I just, so that so that my lips won't feel so dry. And then I'm gonna use these two, this one, this shade, and this red. These two, are they the correct ones? Yes, these ones. Guys, I can't see because of the lighting as well and the lashes now. So forgive me. So I'm gonna apply these two. I'm gonna mix up these two and see the results here. So let's do this. Guys, so to highlight my face, I'm going to use this palette. I've already highlighted a little bit, but my camera was just not recording, so I have to do it again so you guys just see and believe that I am actually highlighting. The final look, guys. The final look. Unfortunately, my lighting is so bad. So bad, I know. But guys, imagine like what I did this whole video for nothing. I'm just gonna post it like this, and maybe next time I'll get more organized and whatnot. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. It's the Go Chichi.